Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the hard requirements. TPM2. 0. Secure boot enabled and supported CPU. Once done, free at least 20 GB and unplug extra USB drives to avoid conflicts. Run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter now. It often fixes corruption or service issues. Make a restore point before you change system settings so you can roll back. If you see error codes, write them down. They guide the next steps. This gets you ready to repair services and components. You'll repair the update stack by stopping Windows Update and related services, then renaming software distribution and catroot 2 to force fresh files. Next, open Elevated PowerShell and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to pull good components from Windows Update or a specified source. Follow with sfc/scano to repair system files. Make sure background intelligent transfer service and the Windows Update service are running afterward. If registry keys were modified by third-party tools, restore default values to avoid permission issues. You can switch to the Windows Update Assistant or Media Creation tool when the normal update won't install. These tools perform a guided-in-place upgrade while preserving files and apps. During the upgrade, watch for driver prompts and temporarily remove old or unsigned drivers that can block setup. If setup still fails, examine setupact. Log for the failing step, uninstall any flagged drivers or security software, and retry. As a last resort, backup data and perform a clean install, but try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.